So we're still feeling the fungus here, but switching gears, it's time to serve some mushrooms. And here to share some nutritional benefits and some quick recipes is certified health coach and holistic nutritionist, Maria Marlowe. Hey, Maria.
Hey, Dr. Ian.
Hey, thanks for joining us. So, we know that mushrooms are grown in manure, but they're still loaded with goodness. You want to break it down for us, right?
Yes. Well, there are many different types of mushrooms, and there are also many health benefits eating them can give us. So first off, they're a great weight loss food because they're low in calories, yet super filling thanks to their protein and fiber. They're also a great source of B vitamins, which helps our body break down the foods we eat and turn the food into energy. They're also a great source of selenium, and selenium is a really powerful antioxidant that supports our immune system. And we don't usually think of white or brown foods as having a lot of antioxidants, but in fact, mushrooms have just as much and sometimes more antioxidants than their colorful fruit and veggie counterparts. And finally, mushrooms are also a great source of beta-glucan, which is a form of soluble dietary fiber that has been shown to help lower cholesterol, to balance blood sugar, and to support our immune system.
They're unbelievable. Mushrooms are the only plant-based food source that naturally contains a significant amount of vitamin D. And in COVID-19 era, we are all about the importance of your immune system. So what's the big takeaway here with these mushrooms?
All mushrooms contain a small amount of vitamin D. However, when you expose them to sunlight or to the UV light, mushrooms have the unique ability to develop a significant amount of vitamin D. Now, right now, the current recommended daily intake of vitamin D is between 15 and 20 micrograms per day. If you take just 1 cup of mushrooms and you expose it to the sunlight or to the UV light, you have over 20 micrograms of your vitamin D.
Wow.
What I like to do is I buy the regular mushrooms and I simply flip them upside down like this so the gills are side up and stick them in the sunny windowsill for an hour or two, and that's all you got to do.
That's it. I love it. Let's talk about cooking. You have some ideas that you say they're really simple and people can do them right at home. Let's do some of those.
Sure. So the simplest recipe, easiest way to get more mushrooms into your diet, just throw them in some sliced up mushroom caps in the boiling water whenever you're making rice. So here I have a brown rice with shiitake mushroom. The interesting thing about shiitake mushrooms is that they have a unique sugar molecule called lentinin. And lentinin is currently being studied for its potential anti-cancer benefits. And while it doesn't directly kill cancer cells, what the research shows is that it supports the immune system and may slow down tumor growth.
I like that. Mushrooms are, man, these things are powerful. So finally, you have a great dish. You call it a better Bolognese. Now, be careful because I love my Bolognese, so you got to bring the heat.
This is going to blow you away, and I bet this will be your new favorite recipe. So you can make this vegan, or you can do it the traditional way with beef. So I just browned some organic grass-fed beef here. And in this second pot, you can do this simultaneously at home, I just started to saute some veggies. And in this pot, we have some celery, we have carrots, onion, garlic, and of course, our mushroom. So I just let that cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then we're going to add our tomato sauce. You could use any jarred tomato sauce.
Some lycopene.
We're going to, yes, exactly. We have some fresh parsley, adds so much flavor. And of course, we're going to add a little bit of all of our ground beef. Then you just let this simmer for about 5 minutes and pour it over your favorite pasta. It could be gluten-free pasta, zucchini noodles, whatever you have. And
why are you making me so
it.
hungry, Maria? You're making me so hungry.
I
Come
wish
feed
I
me.
could give this to you. Oh, I will. Anytime.
All right. Thanks, Maria.
Thanks.
And you can get all of Maria's recipes on our website. It's thedoctorstv.com.